You want to wake up to digital sales, right? Like while you're sipping your iced coffee or having your soft life morning, let me put you on to 3 digital products that sell daily, even for beginners. And I'm not talking a lot of tech overwhelm, no building from scratch. We don't do that over here, okay? These are real products with real potential that help me start earning fast. Now, let me keep it real because you know I like to keep it real with you, okay? I used to be all over the place. I was trying to sell stuff that I didn't even understand, like courses I wasn't really confident in. I'm talking freebies that didn't lead to sales. I thought I had to create the most perfect offer from scratch before I could make money online. That held me back for years, but everything changed once I learned that you don't have to create a product to actually earn from it. Okay. You just need 3 things: a product that people already want, the right to sell it for yourself, and a system to get people in it and actually get the product in front of those people. Okay. That's when I found PLR and master resale rights. And the things got really, really simple for me. And I'm going to show you 3 of the exact type of digital products that sell every day and why they work very, very well for women like us. All right, so go ahead and grab your pen and paper so you can write these down so that you can, take note of them. I'm going to start with the first product: digital guides and master guides. Now, people are always searching for how to help guides like start your own business, create your first digital product, Pinterest marketing 101. Like, they are short, simple, and powerful. And when you have the rights to resell them, they become an instant income stream. So this is why they work, because people want clarity and fast wins. You don't need to be an expert. Just resell and share what helped you. Okay. And also, high perceived value equals higher pricing potential when it comes to these products as well. Talk about product 2. Okay. These are what they call plug and play templates. Think email sequences, planners, content calendars, and lead magnets. Templates are gold because they save time, and time is money. I love me a good template. Okay. Hand me a good template and I'm good to go. Now, why does these work? Because everybody wants to save time, right? They're easy to market. Like, use what I use. This is what I use. Take it. You use it too. And you can bundle and upsell them as well. Now, product 3 is digital courses with master resale rights. This is the main product I sell. It pays me $599 per sale and teaches real skills like digital marketing and automation. Why does this work? Because it's a high ticket income without creating from scratch. It also teaches and it pays, so you can earn while you learn. And also, what I love is the done for you setup. That equals no guesswork. So with my business that I have, you don't have to guess anything. The templates are there, right? There's also some other resellable items in there, mini courses that you can resell. Like, it also comes with mentorship. You get the templates for your opt-in page. Like I have, you go to mysoftlibebiz.com. Like, you get all of those and helps you to get a faster setup when it comes to making money online and creating your own digital business. How do you actually get started with digital products that sell daily? First, you got to define your soft life business. So you got to get clear on what your dream days actually look like. That clarity that you get will come with consistency. Okay. Now the second step, you got to invest in a ready to sell product. So skip building from scratch. We don't do that. Buy the shortcut like I did. I chose a high ticket digital business that lets me earn from day one. Okay. And 3, you got to become the product. You got to study it. You got to use it. Let it shift you. Confidence comes from belief, and belief sells. And then step 4, pick your platform and show up daily, girl. Okay. My platform is YouTube. Yours could be TikTok, Instagram. It doesn't matter. Pick one, post on it daily, become prolific. I'm talking about do the content every single day. Okay. Just like you want to make sales every day. Okay. You want to make money every day. Post every day. Okay. Just like you show up at your job. Make this your new way of life. Make this your business that you're going to post every day. Because when you post every day, you get more visibility, more eyes on you. And when you get more eyes on me, on you, you create more money. Step 5, you got to stay plugged in. All right. Don't try to do this by yourself. Mentorship and community is really what helps me. It truly helps me to stay consistent and, of course, profitable. Plus, I got to be in the know so I can help my soft life girlies. That's how you stay ahead of the curve. That's how people start to see you as a leader, like or a mentor. You don't have to start off mentoring people, right? Let me get that straight. You don't have to do that. However, if you really truly believe in what you're selling, you will want to become a student. And when you become a student, you want to plug into mentorship, into community. It's like you make that your job. You make that your business, like I said earlier, right? When it comes to my schedule, every Tuesday, I have it blocked off for our Q&A calls, or what we call mentorship calls. It's blocked off. That's a non-negotiable. That's a part of my daily rhythm. That's a part of what that helps me to make income, because I plug in every single week. I make it my business. So if I miss it, it's because something is really going on, but that's a part of my job, is showing them to that mentorship call every single week. So if you're ready to start your own soft life business, I put together a free guide that'll help you to do it fast. Okay. Come a little closer. Now, this is what I call my Start Your Own Soft Life Business Master Guide. And it's not just a guide. Okay. I'm giving you a full income opportunity. Yes, I am, because I want to see you win. You'll learn how to set up your own digital income stream this week. Okay. And you can even resell it. Resell my guide for 100% profit. Yep. So I want you to go grab it below. Get your system set up. I show you how to do that and start your soft life business without starting from scratch. Okay. I'm here for you. I want to see you win. Get that guide and come back over here to the comments, okay? And comment and let me know when you get it, girl, okay? Because I want to see you win. All right? So, like this video. Go ahead and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so when I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know. And go ahead and hype your girl up. They got a little hype button you can do. Hype your girl up, okay? Hype me up. I need other soft life girlies to see this, okay? So again, go get your guide. I cannot wait to see you posting your content and making this money, honey, okay? Because it's out there. All right? I'll see you in the next video, girl. Bye.